Hey everybody, Chris with Up North Air Gunner. So today I'm going to be doing the Ice Cube Challenge from Airgun Nation. This challenge is a 25-yard shot, shooting offhand, shooting 3 ice cubes in less than 30 seconds. So I'm going to be shooting the FX Impact set up with the Saber Tactical pump, which is going to be absolutely perfect for rapid fire shooting. This gun was power tuned by Ken Hicks at Southern Precision Air Weapons. This thing is a tack driver, maybe a little rusty over the winter shooting offhand, but we're gonna see what we can do. All right, here we go, let's check it out. All right, so I don't have an ice cube tray, ice cube maker, so we're gonna do 3 mini snowballs, same size as ice cubes. We got 3 ice cube size snowballs set up. All right, let's see what we can do. Here we go. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Yeah, baby! Pretty sure that was in 30 seconds, but we'll have to see it on the timer. All right, there it is, everybody. Got all 3 done. Took me 4 shots to do it. Got it done in less than 30 seconds. Shout out to Rick Ream. Shout out to Michael at Airgun Nation for setting up this challenge. So yeah, get out there, do some shooting. Tons of fun challenges out there like this right now as we're all cooped up. So thanks everybody for joining me. This is Chris with Up North Air Gunner. Take care.